Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin at FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to see a truly beautiful property on 80 acres, 555 Bryantsville Road. Let's take a look. Simplicity is part of the beauty of this architecturally designed home. There are many, many rich textures, and there's one large space for gathering. You have living, dining, plus a kitchen space that's perfect for large groups or small intimate dinners. The kitchen is where we all congregate, and there's a great open space here with double ovens, wonderful cooktop, a walk-in pantry, plus each side of this home has a view of vistas that rival anything anywhere in the country. One of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen. There's wonderful vaulted space in this primary bedroom on the main level. It also has access to the spa bath and a walk-in dressing room. Easy way to start today in this beautiful primary bathroom and a ceramic walk-in shower. They built in so many convenient factors, such as this drop zone that's right off of the 3-car garage. The light-filled lower level has a wonderful family space here, and there are 2 additional bedroom suites flanking each side of this entertaining space. It's so incredible, these rich textures in this home. This is again one of the additional bedroom suites. All of the bedroom suites in this home are so comfortable, your guests may never want to leave. There's a piece of calm in this beautiful property that has views of the hillside, gorgeous garden area, and a great place for entertaining. The entertaining can also happen in the screen patio or the barbecue area here. You get a view of this remarkably unique property. Thanks for touring this home at 555 Bryantsville. This 80-acre parcel in Lawrence County is truly one of a kind. We're close to I-69-37 access to Indianapolis as well as Bloomington. For a personal tour, call me at 812-360-5333. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com.